In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best small chainsaws that are ready to pack a punch while fitting snugly in the palm of your hand. These pint-sized powerhouses are perfect for those who believe in the saying small but mighty. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Bay & Hong Small Chainsaw. Are you looking for a chainsaw that is both powerful and lightweight? Check out the Bay & Hong Small Chainsaw. With its high-efficiency motor, the chainsaw provides enough torque to cut through even the thickest of branches and limbs with ease. More importantly, this mini chainsaw features a safety lock that prevents it from accidentally starting when not in use, and an efficient heat dissipation system keeps it from overheating during use. Additionally, there's an anti-flying splash baffle that keeps debris from flying out of the chain bar while preventing water from getting into the engine when working in wet conditions. This small chainsaw also boasts a lithium-ion battery with self-overload and temperature protection, so you'll never have to worry about overcharging or exploding while working. Here are some pros. Premium safety features for enhanced protection. Highly efficient, powerful motor. Exceptional speed. Ergonomic, anti-slip grip. Cons. Not enough shock absorption. Number 2. New Hewing Small Chainsaw. The new Hewing Small Chainsaw features an upgraded high-efficiency copper wire motor that provides the power you need to get the job done, while the high-quality guide chain ensures that every cut is smooth and clean. This product comes equipped with a variable speed trigger switch that makes it easy to adjust the speed according to the task at hand. Just like other products on our list, this small chainsaw features a rotatable protective baffle that helps protect against kickback while also making sure that dust doesn't fly into your face while you're cutting. It also comes with removable 21-volt batteries and spare guide bars, saw chains, batteries, wrenches, and screwdrivers, everything you need to get started right away. Here are some pros. Durable, wear-resistant chainsaw. A sturdy guide bar lasts longer. Perfect for home improvement projects. Long-lasting battery with overload protection feature. Cons. Doesn't come with safety gloves or goggles. Number 3. RLSOO Small Chainsaw. The RLSOO Small Chainsaw is a great choice for those looking for a high-quality, affordable chainsaw that packs a punch. Featuring a premium quality copper motor, this small chainsaw is capable of handling a variety of cutting tasks, from trimming branches to felling trees. The chain is made from high-quality alloy, so it will cut through anything with ease while staying sharp. This small chainsaw comes with an anti-slip handle, which makes it easy to hold onto and control while you're cutting. It also features a rotatable safety bezel that prevents wood splashing and protects your face from splinters. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, this tool is easy enough for anyone to carry around in their toolkit, but powerful enough to help you get through any job. Here are some pros. Equipped with wear-resistant blades. Safety lock and baffle for maximum protection. Convenient air vents dissipate heat. Comes with a range of accessories. Cons. Assembly may be confusing. Number 4. Tinkming Small Chainsaw. The Tinkming Small Chainsaw is a high-efficiency, fast-cutting chainsaw that's perfect for cutting small trees, branches, and logs. Featuring an upgraded copper motor, this small chain has a highly hard blade that offers 6,000 revolutions per minute (RPM) to complete the job quickly and efficiently. This chainsaw also features a built-in control circuit board with an overload protection function that prevents overheating or damage from overuse. For added peace of mind, this small chainsaw features an adjustable safety bezel that protects your hand and face from chips and nicks while you're working, along with a safety lock button that keeps the saw from starting until it's in place and ready to go. Here are some pros. Long battery life for uninterrupted operation. Durable, rust-resistant blade. Powerful motor. Come with different accessories. Cons. The chain may need frequent tightening. Number 5. Natty Small Chainsaw. Whether you're a lumberjack or a garden enthusiast, the Natty Small Chainsaw will help you make quick work of any job. With a cutting speed of 17 feet per second and a 5.4-inch wood cutting capability, you can get through any task at hand in just 10 seconds. This small chainsaw also features a rubberized handle that provides shock absorption and reduces fatigue during long jobs like cutting trees down. Plus, there's an easy-to-reach on-off button that lets you turn off the saw, while a safety baffle prevents dust from entering the motor and causing damage. Additionally, this pick comes equipped with self-overload and temperature protection for added peace of mind. With your purchase, you'll also get 2 spare chains, gloves, a screwdriver, an oil bottle, safety goggles, and an instruction manual. Here are some pros. Brushless motor for smooth operation. Overload and overheat protection. Comes with a storage case. Cons. Requires frequent charging. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.